In this video, I'll show you how to create an AliExpress account. This will be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Before we continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. To get started, go to the official website aliexpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top of the screen. You'll see an option to sign in or register. Hover over it and then click on register under the sign in button. A registration window will pop up where you can enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, then click continue. Next, AliExpress will send a 4-digit verification code to your email. Open your inbox, find the email from AliExpress, copy the code, and paste it back into the box on the website. Once verified, your account will begin setting up. After a few seconds, you'll see a pop-up window asking if you want to create a passkey. This allows you to log in using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or a passcode for extra security. It's optional. You can skip it if you prefer. And that's it. Your AliExpress account is now successfully created and ready to use.